Hello, my name is Carleen from Onyx Marketing Mix, and today I have with me Leanne Sheargold, and she's going to talk about her experience with me having done a funnel audit for her. So before that, I'm just going to have Leanne talk a little bit about herself and what she does. So if you wouldn't mind letting us all know what you do, that would be amazing.
Hello everyone, my name's Leanne and I'm a spiritual business coach. So I work with women who are wanting to start a business. Often women have a great idea but they don't know how to actually turn it into a business. Or I also work with women that have started a business but it's not quite growing and expanding how they thought it would. So that's where they'll connect with me, and the very first thing we do is create a business plan. So I connect to their spirit guides and we create a 12-month business plan, which then they also get tips for the second and third year as well. And then they work with me in a 12-month program, either through a group or one-to-one. And there's sort of three areas where we look at what's been holding them back, what's their fears, their life story, what's been stopping them from moving forward. We look at their mindset and switching from a negative into a positive mindset, and also looking at their self-love practices. And then we also then move into their business and start to grow and expand their business according to their business plan as well. So that by the end of working with me, their business is really up and moving. They're making a whole lot more money than they've ever made before, and they're very confident. And at the same time, they're also aligned to their intuition and making decisions from that space as well. So that's some of the different ways that people can work with me.
That's amazing. I mean, mindset is so important and we don't realize the impact that it has on everything that we do. So that's absolutely amazing. And your intuition and just trusting that. So I'd just like to ask, before my conducting a funnel audit for you, what was your biggest struggle with your funnel?
Yeah, my funnel, it has sort of been an ongoing struggle. I really wasn't aware of how to use it to get my funnel out there to people. And I've had to sort of play around with some of the wording that I've used in my funnels as well as in the titles. And I'd really been questioning why I really wasn't getting much results from my funnel as well. So there was lots of little things that I was querying and questioning in the funnel, and I really didn't know where to go or who to speak to about those things.
Right, got it. Thank you. If you had continued down that path you were on, what would have happened?
Well, I was just going to cancel the ClickFunnels altogether and just go and give up because it was all too hard.
Right, and we don't want to give up, we want to keep going on. And what would you say stood out about me as a funnel strategist?
Well, I really loved how you did the video recording and then you went through everything step by step. And so as the video actually was showing me what you were talking about and your voice over the top. So I know for myself, I watched the whole video, but then also I've been able to go back and fix the things that you mentioned step by step. So I could pause the video and then go into ClickFunnels and fix it. So for me, that's brilliant because I'm really a visual learner. So actually to see what you're talking about, but then also hearing your voice and telling me how to change. And you've even said, you could change the wording to this, and you've given me the example of the wording. So that is right, golden for me. That's been the best help ever.
That's amazing. Thank you. Okay, so what has been your biggest insight or lesson learned with the audit, and why was that valuable?
Well, when I got the audit, before I got the audit, I had paid someone to do it, and I didn't know how to use it, I knew nothing. I was just paying a fee, and I originally thought you paid this fee and it would run itself. I didn't really realise I had to do anything with it, didn't have to promote it. So it was great to have that feedback from you and how you went through all the different sections. You really helped me to sort of feel like it's mine and that I can go in and make changes and fix colours and headings and titles. So you really helped me to take ownership of my own ClickFunnels but also feel more confident in the process, because I know that video, I can go back to it as many times as I need to go back into the various parts, because you actually explained the various different aspects of the ClickFunnels as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay, amazing. Thank you. Okay, and if I had to measure the results, what would you have gained?
Well, I definitely was at zero, or probably even in the negative before the audit with you. So I definitely, probably about an 8 is where the scale that I would give it now after your video audit, because I feel a lot more confident with what it's doing and what it's about and how it works, and just because of your tips on how to change things. Whereas I think that was for me really important, that you know, you did say, like, maybe change this part, but then you gave me the example of what to change it to as well. So that really helped me go, oh, okay, of course, that makes more sense.
Yeah. Okay, that's fantastic. Right, okay. So if you were to recommend me as a funnel strategist, who would this be perfect for?
Well, it would be perfect for anyone that's actually got a ClickFunnel already, or who is thinking about using one. Just because, you know, if you were like me and you paid someone to do it, you're believing that they're the expert, they know what they're doing. Or if you're someone also like me who has no idea about the ClickFunnel or even technology, it was great to get you to do the audit and then to run me through the different areas that need improving, even the explanation. I know for me personally, the women that I'm currently working with as well, some of them do have ClickFunnels, so I will be recommending you to them as well, just for their own peace of mind, to see how they could actually optimize their ClickFunnel even more, especially for the price that everyone is paying for it. You know, that's the thing that I felt like I was not getting anything for the price I was paying. So now I feel a lot more confident in the changes that I can go in and make.
Right, okay.
I will, yeah, highly recommend it to everyone that's actually got a ClickFunnel out there.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy to hear you got so much from it, and, you know, practical things that you can use and put into place. So that's amazing. Well, after that funnel audit, I look forward to your going from strength to strength with your business.
Thank you so much for doing the audit. I've really learned a lot, and but also the way that you did the video and your voice over the top, and you really explained it quite explicitly, and because I could see, you know, the visual as well really helped with me to have a better understanding. So yeah, which is really, really good for me, because I need that visual, but also your explanation. That is really going to help me a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. That's my pleasure. And thank you so much.